The Toyota RAV4 is hiding 7 features that 99% of owners never find, and most of them have been sitting there since the day the vehicle left the factory. If you've been driving yours for years and assume you already know everything it can do, these features are going to change that assumption completely. Most people think of the RAV4 as a simple, no-surprises family SUV, but beneath that everyday exterior is a set of capabilities, tricks, and design details that rival vehicles costing tens of thousands more. Number 7. In-cabin hidden details. Toyota has been quietly embedding small design details throughout the cabin, details that serve no functional purpose but reveal a clear intention behind the vehicle's character. Topographical patterns, miniature icons, and adventure-themed motifs are turning up in places like cup holders, door panels, and seat upholstery. Most owners will never notice them during a dealership walkthrough. Many owners are finding them months, sometimes years after purchase, while cleaning or simply sitting still and looking closely. That delayed discovery creates something genuinely rare in a mainstream vehicle, the feeling that the car is still revealing itself. Once you start noticing these details, the cabin starts feeling less like a production interior and more like something put together with real care. But what's hiding in the key fob is going to be even more surprising, especially for anyone currently paying a monthly subscription fee they never needed. Number 6. Remote start. No need for subscription. Toyota offers a Remote Connect subscription service, and a lot of RAV4 owners are signing up specifically for the remote start function. What most of them don't know is that on models with the Audio Plus package or higher, the key fob already carries that capability. No subscription required. Walking out to a car that's been sitting in summer heat or freezing overnight is unpleasant enough. Paying a monthly fee to solve that problem, when the solution is already sitting in your pocket, makes it genuinely frustrating once you find out. The sequence is simple. Press the lock button twice, then hold it a third time for at least 3 seconds. The parking lights will flash, the engine will fire up, and the climate system will activate based on its last setting. The vehicle will typically run for about 10 minutes before shutting itself off automatically. One important piece to understand: the moment any door is unlocked or opened, the engine cuts out immediately. This is a deliberate security measure, not a malfunction. After entering, the engine will need to be restarted with the push-button ignition. But the subscription confusion isn't the only thing RAV4 owners are missing. The camera system on this vehicle goes far beyond what most people think it can do, and that's coming up next. Number 5. Wiper service mode. There's a small frustration most Toyota RAV4 owners eventually run into, and it usually happens during something as routine as cleaning the windshield. The wipers don't lift properly. They catch on the edge of the hood, forcing an awkward angle that makes cleaning the blades or replacing them feel unnecessarily difficult. Most people assume that's just how the car's designed. It isn't. What's actually happening is that the vehicle is hiding a service position, one that almost nobody discovers on their own. With the ignition turned off, there's a short window where holding the wiper stalk upward for a couple of seconds triggers the system. The wipers move into a vertical position and stay there, fully extended and completely accessible. It feels like something that should happen automatically, yet it's tucked behind a sequence that isn't explained during delivery and rarely mentioned in the manual in a way anyone remembers. Once this mode is used even once, the entire experience of maintaining the windshield changes, and it quietly fixes an issue most drivers didn't even realize had a solution built in from day one. Number 4. Key fob window control. There's a layer of control built into the key fob that goes well beyond locking and unlocking, but most owners never move past those 2 buttons. On many RAV4 models, the fob is capable of controlling all 4 windows at once, and in some cases, even the sunroof, without ever stepping inside the vehicle. It's not something that announces itself. There's no label, no icon, no hint that the capability exists. Holding the unlock button after the initial press begins lowering every window simultaneously, turning a sealed, overheated cabin into a ventilated space before you even reach the door. In certain configurations, the reverse action is also possible, closing everything with the lock button. The effect is immediate and surprisingly refined, like something reserved for higher-end vehicles rather than a mainstream SUV. What makes this feature particularly hidden is that it isn't always active from the factory. In many cases, it exists within the vehicle's software but remains disabled until it's turned on through settings or a dealer-level adjustment. That means 2 identical vehicles can behave completely differently, leaving one owner unaware that their car is capable of something the other uses daily. Once enabled, it becomes one of those features that quietly reshapes everyday use, especially in extreme weather, yet remains invisible to the vast majority of drivers. Number 3. Smart hidden features. Most drivers know the uneasy feeling of a wheel losing grip mid-corner or the moment a wet road suddenly feels less predictable. That gap between confidence and uncertainty is precisely what the system is closing before the driver even registers there's a problem. Rather than simply splitting power between front and rear axles, the dynamic torque vectoring system is directing torque to individual rear wheels based on real-time traction data, pushing more power to the outside rear wheel through corners and shifting torque toward whichever wheel is finding the most grip on slippery surfaces. There's a second layer worth knowing. When cruising at highway speeds, the rear driveshaft is physically disconnecting, transitioning the vehicle to front-wheel drive to eliminate drag and reduce fuel consumption. The instant conditions change, the rear system re-engages, no driver input required, no sound, no notification, no vibration. The entire process is invisible, but that invisible intelligence doesn't stop at the drivetrain. The next feature is doing the same thing when you're towing, and most owners have no idea it's there. Number 2. Adaptive Cruise Control's full stop behavior. In real-world driving, especially in traffic, the system isn't just adjusting speed. It's capable of bringing the vehicle to a complete stop and holding it there, managing the exact kind of stop-and-go movement that typically wears drivers down the most. The transition is smooth enough that it doesn't call attention to itself. It simply happens, blending into the background of the drive. The hidden part isn't the stopping itself, but how the system behaves afterward. In shorter pauses, the vehicle will begin moving again on its own. In longer stops, it waits, then resumes instantly with minimal driver input. Most owners never reach the point of trusting it enough to let it handle this entire cycle. They disengage early, assuming it wasn't designed for that level of involvement. What's left undiscovered is a completely different driving experience. In dense traffic, the system quietly takes over the repetitive work, smoothing out every slowdown and restart with a consistency that's difficult to replicate manually. It's not advertised as a transformative feature, and it doesn't feel dramatic when it's working. But once it's understood and used fully, it changes how the vehicle fits into everyday driving in a way that few owners ever realize is possible. Number 1. Storage compartments. The RAV4 is carrying significantly more storage than most owners ever discover. The cargo floor is a two-position reversible panel, not simply a removable piece of carpet. Raised, it creates a flat loading surface with the seats folded. Lowered, it opens up additional vertical depth. Flip the panel over and the carpeted side gives way to a hard plastic surface built for wet gear, muddy boots, or anything that would otherwise damage the floor. One of the quiet frustrations of owning an SUV with a removable cargo cover is having nowhere to put it when it's not in use. Most people end up leaving it in the garage permanently. Beneath the cargo floor, there's a dedicated compartment specifically sized to store that cover, invisible when closed. Separate from the spare tire well, there's also a hidden underfloor storage bin ideal for a first aid kit, jumper cables, or valuables out of sight. Up front, a passenger side shelf sits just above the glove box, and a slim slot to the left of the steering column fits a toll pass, parking card, or phone precisely. The center console runs deeper than it appears, and the door panels carry pockets wide enough for a water bottle. None of these spaces announce themselves, but together they reflect a level of thoughtful planning that most owners only piece together gradually. 7 features, and most RAV4 owners are going through their entire ownership without knowing a single one of them. None of them are advertised, and none of them requires an upgrade. It's all already there. The storage system alone is solving daily frustrations that most owners have simply accepted as part of owning an SUV, and the adaptive cruise control full stop ability is adding a layer of safety to every tow that most people never knew they had. What the RAV4 is proving, feature by feature, is that the vehicles people overlook the most are often the ones that reward closer attention, and this one has been quietly doing exactly that for a very long time. Compact crossovers like this one are not the only ones that hide such interesting features. Off-roaders like the Ford Bronco do it too, so make sure to check out our next video. We may know it primarily for flawless off-road performance and iconic aesthetics, but this SUV also comes with numerous Easter eggs and hidden functions that will completely change the way you look at it.